In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and edit pages and links in your GoDaddy website step by step. Whether you're building your first website or updating an existing one, knowing how to properly create new pages and manage navigation links is essential for making your site look professional and easy to use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a new page, customize it, and make sure it appears correctly in your website menu. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and log in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, head over to GoDaddy.com, and click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your account, then click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the section called My Products. Click on My Products to see all the services connected to your account. Here, you'll find your website listed under Websites plus Marketing or Managed Websites, depending on your plan. Locate the website you want to edit and click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor. Now that you're inside the website editor, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to begin adding a new page. Then select Plus Add Page. GoDaddy will now ask you to choose a page type. You can select from options like Blank, About, Contact, Services, or other pre-designed layouts. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, give your page a name. This name will appear in your website's navigation menu, so make sure it's clear and relevant, like About Us, Services, Blog, or Contact. After naming your page, click Create Page. Your new page will now be added to your site and appear in the navigation menu automatically. Once the page is created, it's time to edit it. To customize your new page, click on the sections shown on the screen. If you want to add more content, click on Plus Add Section. This allows you to insert new content blocks such as text sections, image galleries, contact forms, testimonials, videos, or call to action banners. To edit text, simply click directly on the text area and start typing. You can adjust font size, style, alignment, and formatting using the editing toolbar. If you want to change images, click on the image, then upload a new one from your computer or select from GoDaddy's stock image library. If you'd like to add a button with a link, click on a button element or add one through a new section. Then select the button and choose where it should link to. You can link it to another page on your website, an external website URL, an email address, or even a phone number. This is especially useful for contact buttons, book now links, or directing visitors to important information. You can also rearrange pages in your navigation menu. Look for your page list in the editor and drag pages up or down to change their order. This helps you control how visitors navigate your website. Once you're done making changes, don't forget to click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing ensures that all your edits and newly created pages go live and are visible to visitors. And that's it. You now know how to add and edit pages and links in your GoDaddy website quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.